I thought I'd do some experiments with one of these simple IR modules. So this gives us 32 by 24 pixels. So just a quick video on a few of the issues I came across that were slightly silly. So when I plugged it in and I tried to get it to work over I squared C, it didn't work at all. I tried various things, pull up resistors, different versions of the library, scanning the I squared C interface to try and find the address. Nothing worked. Now obviously my first mistake was not putting a blob of solder on this jumper here to make it use I squared C. But I put that on and it still didn't work. And initially I was thinking this must be dead on arrival, the board just doesn't work. So I thought I'd have a look under the microscope and see what was going on. Did a quick bit of probing, it's just focusing. And what I found was it was the soldering on this IC. So these pins were not soldered particularly well. Um, so I touched up the soldering, just reflowed the joints, and magically this board burst into life, and now it's working. There's a bit of IPA on there at the moment because I've done a bit of cleaning on it just to clean off some of the flux. But yeah, so simple fix. So if you do ever get yourself one of these boards and you find it's not working, it's worthwhile having a quick look at the soldering on the underside and just seeing if this chip is actually soldered on properly. But it's working now, so I can get on with my project. So thanks for watching, and there'll be a project video coming soon using this module, so stay tuned.